here we have the Seagull Whisperer working her magic. Oh, it's a dude. It's a him. Oh, back at the beach. Beautiful. Spot the dancers. One with a tote bag and the other with white skin. Because we get no vitamin D. I've got Steve the Seagull here. Come to say hello. Hi mate. He's getting friendly. He's after something. Look at him. Come on, Henry. Nailed it. Right, we are good old rock skimming. A little bit thick.
Can't involve long jump.
Oh, why don't we play like bowls but stones?
Ow.
Yes.
Oh, I'm up for that.
Oh yeah. So if this is the big stone, I'm going to put it there.
Yeah, this is a good game.
Who can get closest to that stone?
Okay,
If they're right.
analyse your stones.
Yeah, remember which stone's yours.
Mine's like a triangle.
Okay, well, mine's the biggest.
Here, yours is.
Okay, ready?
I might get. I'm
I'm first.
sorry, I'm just putting the line.
Just be on
now.
the rubber, make sure I'm dead.
Nice, Tom. Nice.
Whoa!
Very nice. Although, it's an advantage because you did the first one, so you know how it felt. It's accurate.
Best out of three. Which is it? Is it the furthest one?
Tell it.
Middle one.
No, it's the one before the furthest.
Which one is it? No.
Oh, that was some cinematic filming right there.
Round one. First blood. Ooh.
Yes. Hours of fun. This is.
Henry,
Oh, I like it.
going for the little
Nice.
tiny little overall. And then please. Cool.
No one's taking it seriously.
No, it's totally
Do exactly the same like last time.
Someone take it seriously. Yes.
Oh! Tom's got that one. Also got it. Oh! That means one more.
Look at all these self-service heaven.
Christina Maillard. No, Chase on that. Oh no, that's Stacey Orico.
You know who I think is trash?
That is a true. Oh yeah, but what did she sing?
She
Did she die?
went down in it on a jet.
What? No, she didn't.
No, that needs a left eye.
Yeah.
That's a
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because she was in that film Time Machine, wasn't she? Earlier.
I love her.
No, Samantha Mumba was in Time Machine.
Wow, Tom.
Oh, I thought.
Ellie was in
I watched
Something
it
of
the
the
other day,
Damned.
I watched it the other day. I was like, she's dead.
Queen of the Damned was
Remember
Ellie.
this
Damned,
song?
yeah.
This song came up on my iPad the other day. When I'm out in the club, don't think I'm not. Baby, when you're out making love, don't think I'm not. Living really good, it's somebody's spot. Getting hot, don't stop. Don't think I'm not, cause I'm not getting mine. When I try to get your attention, you ignore me every time. I'm so caught up doing your dead. That was such a tune. It literally came on, I was like, hello. Next to Trent, trying to turn it down really low.
These Aussie singers are dedicated. Rehearsing their steps like the very good professionals they are.